Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna see about Google Takeout. Using Google Takeout, you can take your data used by your Google account. Using that data, we can able to see what are the histories made using the Chrome browser. There are various types of data you can take out of from the Google product. Let's navigate to Google Takeout. Once you signed in with your Google account, you can see the list of products within it. You can select it and download your data. In this, I am going to show the Chrome data history, and we can see the uh, top websites using that Chrome data. First, deselect all and select the Chrome and try to export it. We can choose the delivery method using send download link by email. After you click on create export, you can download within this browser itself, or you can get an email link to download. Once you download, you can see in the folder called Chrome and the archive browser.html. Navigate to the Chrome and you can see the browser history.json. This is the browser history.json. It shows the list of histories you made within the Chrome browser. Initially, will have a dictionary in this JSON that consists of 6 pieces. Uh, Using this data, we can get the top websites I actually used. So, using the title, also you can make use of it by taking the search query in Google. Let us visualize that histories. Create Import the required module. In this program, the mostly used pandas package. After that, you can load the read.json using path of browser history.json. After, you can see when you type the data.get, you can see the list of browser history in it. There is a individual rows which contains of individual dictionaries. That is, in this you can see it will be given as a row and it is in the data type of dictionary. So let us take the main keys like a page transition, title and the URL. For making the top website I use frequently, you can use the URL alone, but you can change the data frame like this. I am creating the page transition list and the title and URL and getting the browser history individually and creating a new data frame. You can see how it's got pre-modified from this. Now let us check the types of page transition. Now let us check what are the types of page transition. You can see there are more than 5 types of like link, type, generated, form submit, reload, auto, top level, auto bookmark, etc. And there is a topmost is linked and type, and let us choose the linked and type page transition. I am storing the linked and typed page transition in filter 1 and filter 2. Once you head up, it shows the link page transition alone. In filter 2, you can see the type page transition. For calculating most frequently used website, I am using the filter tool. which is the type paste transition. You can see the URL here. These are the unnecessary data, that is Chrome new tab. Like I am removing that Chrome new tab. After removing it, I am going to choose what is the website name till the domain name. That is, for example, consider here it's a mail.google.com. Actually, mail.google.com is a total till domain name. These are the not necessary that contributes the website. For taking this, I used the counting of 3 slashes. For example, I have to take https://mail.google.com. In this, I can get a maximum of 3. So we can get 3 slashes. If there is a 3 slashes completed, then it will be till the URL will be till the domain. Once I get all the URLs, I am storing in websites variable as a data frame, and I am going to count it and sort it in descending order. So you can see there is top 10 count in it, and using the plot it's visualized like this. So you can get the idea of what are the websites you frequently use using your Google account that can be accessed using the Google Takeout. Also, you can see the search query you made with Google. All are in this file only. Browser history.json. You can take differently. Thanks for watching.